Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA XR20, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default settings are. But you can also hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can actually check how it's set up and change it if it doesn't actually fit your needs. So we can start off by navigating into what can interrupt or do not disturb mode. So you have people, you can set up who can interrupt you during this mode. So we have calls and messages. You can see for calls, if you tap on it, we have steered contacts, which is virtually just favorite contacts. Then we have just contacts, all of them, anyone, and no one. Now, additionally, you have this toggle right here at the bottom, allow repeated callers, meaning that if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, at the second time around, they will completely bypass your selection, whatever it is set here. Meaning that even though, for instance, you set it up to have no one be able to call you, if they do that twice, they will bypass this and reach you without any problem. Now, going back, we have messages, same as contacts, minus the repeated callers, obviously. And if we go back, here we have also apps, alarms, and other interruptions. So you can set up what kind of apps can give you notifications, what kind of alarms will go through, and stuff like that. And lastly, we do have a schedule, which basically allows you to set it up once, just each day of the week that you want to have Do Not Disturb mode on, and also the time at which it starts and at which it ends. And once you set it up, you don't actually have to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. You would only have to turn it on here, like so. And under advanced, we have a duration for quick settings. So this is just when you tap on the toggle in the notification panel, meaning this one. And disable options for hidden notification or display options. This just allows you to set up how notifications appear. Now, when it comes onto this toggle right here, the options that we have until turn off. This is the default one. We have also for 1 hour, but you can change the timer. Now, once you set it up here and press on OK, and you tap on the toggle in the notification panel, it will always turn on for however many hours it is set right here, without an option to change it. Now, additionally, you can turn it off whenever you want. And then the best option right here is ask every time. That is just my opinion though. And once you select that one, whenever you tap on the toggle itself, it brings you up with two options, with the addition for timer 1, being able to change it however many times you want. So as an example, right now I set it up for 5 hours and I just select that it ended. So I turned it off, and now if I turn it on, again, I can set up different timer now. So anyway, once you set up everything here the way you want to, you can simply, as you've seen, pull down the notification panel, tap on the toggle, select the option that you want, and there we go. It's now enabled, which you can see right here and also right here in the notification panel. That is how you turn it on, and to turn it off again, just simply tap on it. And that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.